Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People. Today, I hope all is well. And if so, we're going to move on. And we have today featuring that terrific grilled chicken sandwich. It's very popular in my house. So I had posted the picture, and I promised that I would come back with you on the instructions on how to prepare it. So the first thing you want to do is get you 2 chicken breasts, boneless chicken breasts. Get the skinless as well, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 of them. And then what I do with the 2, I take that one and slice my chicken breasts so that they're thin. Because we, here at this household, we don't like thick meat. So, when you cut them, they'll be just thin. And plus it's a bonus, you can get 2 out of 1. Okay? So, what I've done here already, I've washed them and cleaned them and taken any excess fat around the edges off. And that's just up to you if you want to do that. Okay, and these are the ingredients that I use for this grilled chicken sandwich. These are the seasonings: kosher salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. So I seasoned both sides of my chicken breast, and then I just kind of let them sit for a minute or two while I'm preparing to cook my bacon. As you can see, we have bacon over here. Now you can fix as many slices of bacon as you want on your sandwich, but I usually put 2 slices of bacon on each sandwich. So I'm gonna have 4 sandwiches, so that means I need 8 slices of bacon, plus 1 because somebody will come along and eat it, a slice of my bacon. Okay, so
I sure will.
And he verified it. So what I'm gonna do now is I've seasoned my meat. I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna go over here to my skillet. Okay, in your skillet you want to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your skillet and heat it up on medium heat. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then once your skillet is warm enough to receive the chicken, then you put those chicken breasts in there. Now I'm going to place my chicken breast in the skillet. Okay, you're going to let those brown on each side until they get like a caramel brown. So it might take about 5 minutes for each side. Okay, now I'm going to put my bacon in the oven and broil it until it's done. I'll broil it at 400. And while these chicken breasts are cooking, I always like to add about a teaspoon of butter. This is optional, so if you don't want to add it, you don't have to, but I like to add it to enhance the browning, and it kind of gives it a richer taste, your sandwich. Okay, Now I'm going to turn them over. And I'll show you how beautiful they are, brown. Isn't that beautiful? And you just turn those over until they brown on the other side. See that? Looks delicious already. And this is real simple and easy, and it's a healthy sandwich. You don't have to fry it to be good. If you season your meat right, it doesn't matter how you fry it, boil, bake. It's all in seasoning your meat. So we're going to let this brown on the other side. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare and cut up my tomatoes and onion and lettuce. So while this is cooking on the other side, and I'm periodically checking my bacon because I don't want it to burn, so I'm checking that as well. Okay, now my chicken breast is done. And what I'm going to do now is just layer my cheese. So you can use any kind of cheese you want on here. So what I'm going to use is a triple pepper jack cheese. It's already shredded, and I'm just going to sprinkle that over it while your chicken is still warm. But you can use whatever chicken you want. I mean, not chicken, excuse me. Whatever cheese you want on your chicken. So I just put this triple pepper jack cheese and give it a little kick. And then I will put a little of the sharp cheese on there. Sharp cheddar cheese. Because you can't always beat that. Put whatever amount you want on there. How many types of cheeses you want. Doesn't matter. Whatever you like. Okay, I put my cheese on top, and I'm just going to cover it until my bacon is ready. And that way my cheese will melt. And so then I'm just waiting on bacon. Okay, after I drained my bacon and broke it up into pieces, I've laid it on top of my chicken breast, on top of the breast that has the cheese on it, and then I'm putting the bacon on it. So as you can see, the bacon is layered on top of the chicken. And in the meantime, we're browning our brioche buns, and we're gonna plate it as soon as those are ready, and I'll get back with it. Okay, here's my buns. They're brown, and these are a little bit browner than I like, but my husband likes them darker brown like this. But this is your sandwich, and you can add your extra little sides to it when you get ready to chomp down on it, and it is delicious. And I hope you enjoy this simple, delicious recipe, once again, from The Real Kitchen for real people. And by that I mean for people who love delicious recipes and love delicious eating. So if you try it and you like it, or you like this video, be sure to thumbs up, because that really helps on my channel. And also, if you're interested, be sure to subscribe as well. It don't cost you anything. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell button, and that way you'll get these recipes automatically sent to you. You don't have to go out searching, so you'll automatically get anything that I post, and for you to view and enjoy. So we're getting ready to eat. Sit down and eat. Like I said, anything I fix, we're gonna eat it. So Until next time, I hope you enjoy and have a blessed week. And remember, love, love.